In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to balance all audio in Canva. If you've ever played back your design and noticed one clip is super loud while the next is too quiet, this quick feature will save you time and help your project sound polished and consistent from start to finish. Start by opening your project in Canva. Make sure you're in the main editor where you can see your canvas and the toolbar at the top. The audio balancing tool works across your entire design, so it doesn't matter which page or scene you're on, as long as you're inside the project you want to fix. Next, click on any element that actually contains sound. That could be a music track you added to the timeline, a voiceover, or even a video clip that includes audio. Selecting an audio-enabled element tells Canva to show you the sound controls you need. You'll know you've got the right thing selected when you see audio options appear at the top of the editor. Now, look for the speaker icon in the top toolbar. This is the gateway to your volume and audio tools. Click the speaker icon to open the audio controls. Here, you'll typically see the volume slider and a few helpful options. Among them is the one we're after, Balance All. Go ahead and click Balance All. That's it. Canva will analyze the audio levels across your project and adjust them so your clips play at a more consistent loudness. Think of it as evening out the bumps. It nudges loud parts down and brings quiet parts up, aiming for a steady listening experience without you having to tweak each clip by hand. After balancing, give your project a listen. Play through a few sections where different clips meet so you can hear how the levels gel across transitions. If something still feels a bit off, maybe a specific clip needs to be softer for creative reasons, you can always fine-tune that individual clip's volume afterward. The balance action is designed to create a solid baseline. Your creative choices still come first. A couple of tips as you review. Use headphones or speakers you trust so you can hear subtle differences, and remember that balancing doesn't change timing or effects, only loudness. If your project is long or packed with audio, it may take a moment for changes to settle in. Canva typically saves adjustments automatically, so you won't lose your work. And that's the whole process. Open your project, select an audio or a video with audio, click the speaker icon, choose Balance All, and enjoy cleaner, more consistent sound throughout your design.